Hey guys, Super Sarah here.
Not Super Johnny here. Welcome back.
So we are doing part 2 of our Blizzard Cute and Deadly Series 2 mystery minifigures.
And as you can see, we super glued the Bastion.
Yes, he was broken. He came broken. So we got 6 left. I just realized the top of this was broken. How did I not notice that before? Alright, anyway, if you guys did not watch the first part, that's what you can get. It's 1 in 12 for all of them. We only had 11 boxes, so we're going to be missing 1. And I am hoping it's Raynor.
Or the Barbarian.
Yeah.
As long as it's not Tracer.
What is this one? Tyrande?
I think she's a night elf from World of Warcraft. I'm not sure. I didn't play on
She's neat looking. Well, so is Raynor. We don't play that game. The StarCraft one. Okay, anyways. I really want a Tracer. And I just realized that this isn't the one that has the exclusive different outfit Tracer. So, there's only one Tracer to get in this set. Oh no! What, that is sad. But you got the Pharaoh one that you really wanted. She was actually the first one we opened.
Oh, there's actually a little notch in there.
Oh, that's so funny. I was just asking about this. Oh, she's actually really cool looking.
Yeah, she's definitely a night elf.
Yeah, the markings on her face.
Alliance scum.
I did play World of Warcraft for a little bit, but I was on the Horde side.
Damn right you were. Okay.
But she is really neat. You can put her with your Sylvanas. Very neat.
Next box.
Her feet are so tiny. There we go. Got her on the base.
Oh. We got the regular Pharaoh. This one's really smelly.
Nice.
Awesome possum.
Oh, you can probably keep both of them.
I need one.
As long as I get Tracer. Alright. So this is number 3. This is the halfway mark. Okay, this one feels kind of bulky. Man, it's really hard to guess. I think this might be the Rainbow Goblin. Which is funny because I opened the Loot Goblin too. Alright, she is cool. Farah is awesome. Oh no, it's my Tracer! It was her head. Whoop. I felt the big ball from her head.
Awesome.
Yay! So we both got the ones we wanted. And she's got this little zigzag like she's running really fast.
Cool. Yeah, I'm happy now.
Me too. These are really neat. Oh my gosh, and her feet.
Yeah, the same thing with that.
Yeah, they're so crazy small. Wait.
I'm dropping it. Like it's hot.
So I just noticed this. The Blizzard thing is actually printed the wrong way. Yeah, so
Yep.
I don't know if you can read that, but it says Blizzard on the underside, so when you're actually reading it on the base, it's backwards. I don't know why they did it that way.
That's okay.
Alright. Sweet! She is super cool.
Oh, and here is the Rainbow Goblin.
Oh yeah, she's a lot bigger.
He's got a base.
Really?
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
I don't know why he's got a base.
Well, oh yeah, I guess he does have a hole in his foot.
Here he is.
Shoot, now I'm going to have to go back through all these boxes and find that base.
What I really like about this is that he's got his gold coins spilling out the bottom of the sack.
Yeah, this one's like that too.
Oh yeah, and it's got the little clouds and his flowers and stuff from the rainbow world.
Yeah. I have no idea. Oh yeah, that's right. I do remember that in the game.
It's like all the teddy bears and the unicorns and stuff like that.
Oh, that is really funny. I think I just paper cut myself. I did. Not bleeding yet, but... there it is. Okay, so this... we're going to have to look up his name.
It's Barbarian.
Oh, it's just Barbarian. Well, that's easy to remember.
Yeah, it's from Diablo 3. It's a class of character you can play as. That's what it is. Well, actually...
what did I play as?
there's a demon hunter. But I think, though, I'm not sure, but I think that maybe, you know, you get your, like, whatever, your sidekick, you know, that you can have come along with you if you're playing by yourself.
I actually like his
there's a barbarian
stance.
one.
That's actually kind of funny.
Last one. You want to do last one?
Nope.
You sure?
Yep, it's all yours.
Okay.
I gotta try to find that base.
This is where we find out which one we don't have.
So we are missing the Raynor guy, Soldier 76.
Oh, yeah.
Oh no.
Let's see.
I hope it's Soldier 76.
I don't think it is.
Dang
I
it.
don't think it is.
That's really sad.
Okay, here we go. This is where we find out. Yep, we're missing Soldier 76.
Shoot.
What are the odds that that one is missing? Like, I think
Yeah,
maybe like someone, if there's a layout for the box, I wonder if someone figured out what the layout was and
I don't know.
picked it out.
Oh, I found the base first try. That was lucky. Yeah, so out of the whole set, the two I wouldn't have mind not getting was this one
So by the way,
and that
this
one.
is Ragnar, right?
Ragnar.
Ragnar.
I don't know actually. I was just...
Spacecraft, I believe.
StarCraft.
Starcraft, yes, Starcraft.
Spacecraft.
Starcraft.
Haha.
Or Warhammer or something. Maybe it's Warhammer. I don't know. I don't play either of those games. It's pretty bulky.
So here he is with his base. And I'm not really sure which way. Probably like this. I don't know. All right. So out of the second set, which one's your favorite?
Out of the second set,
So it would be these guys. Out of those ones, which one's your favorite?
Jeez, I don't know. Probably this Rainbow Goblin.
And I'm between...
Tracer's really cool.
Yeah, Tracer's my favorite out of all of them. But I really like this Farah too.
Yeah.
Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. We didn't get Soldier 76. We're going to go buy another case.
No, we're not doing that. If anything, I'll figure out what the layout is and try to find one that hasn't been messed with at all. But
So we got these from Target. I'm going to check the receipt just to make sure I tell you correctly.
Yeah.
These were $9.01 each. So you guys can do the math.
I'm gonna vomit.
Why? It says we got 11 of them?
Yeah.
Out of 12. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Hope you have a great day.
Ta-ta.
Bye!